So we are going to get the link of our Facebook. Let's just resize it and center it. So we can group this one. So by clicking this and click shift, then group, then let's center it. Then this one, we're going to get the link of TTG Certified by switching to TTG Certified account. Then go to the profile of TTG Certified, then copy it, then paste it here. Oops. Copy, then let's remove this, then paste it. Oops. And let's widen this. Okay, I think this is too long, and also the link, I think the link is too long, and let's just change it to our email account rather than Facebook, since we're going to post this in Facebook and we don't need to put the link of our Facebook because we're already posting it on our Facebook account. So let's put our email rather. Then change the color to white so that we are able to see it. Then just center it, then copy this one, then paste, then move it here, and change it to our email account, avec@ttgcertified.com. Oops. Then change this image to our preferred image. So let's try to use this image and choose for the color this one, then save as image. Then it will be downloaded. Then after that we can upload it here, upload files, then download, then click the image. So it is now uploading. Then click the image, then drag it here, or we can also just this, so there will be a model, and upload it again, then drag it to the frame like that. Then let's change this one to also this. Let's change this image. Let's remove that image and replace it with parent image. Then this one, and enlarge this, then put it at the back layer, so that it will be under the black background that we have right now. So currently we have black background and we will put it at the back of it. So in order for you to put it at the back, just right click, then click layer, then send to back. Okay, then let's the black background is not showing now. Oops. So we can create another black background because it is not showing now, and we are going to overlay it. So let's clear this, then create shape, then change the background color to black, then drag it, fill the whole page, and transparency, let's make it 60, then let's send it to back, then send this image again to back, and that's it. We are now able to put the image at the back and the black overlay will be at the top of it. So let's change this, so up to, let's say, 20%, then let's try to put this on our brand. Let's put the font on our brand. So our font brand is Montserrat. So it is a simple font, a minimal design font. So let's just copy style, then copy style. So in order for you to copy a style, you just have to click copy style, then paste it, then let's change it to bold, then right click, copy style, right click, copy style, then click the text that you want to copy that existing style. So that's it. We have now the post for our Facebook page. So in order for you to download it, just click share, then download, then PNG, then download.